In the previous class, we discussed about four different kind of gear designs. For example, in the second unit, we can focus on spur gear along with the helical gear. In the third unit, we discussed with the bubble gear along with the normal worm gear. So we want to design the gear structure itself. For example, spur gear means it can be slightly different from helical gear. It is partially different from a bubble as well as the worm. So the gear design will be covered on second unit as well as the third unit. Now we are going to enter into the fourth unit, that is called as gearbox. So this is the one kind of gears manufactured by our lab itself. So in general ways, how the gears are used? Any idea? What is the purpose we are using the gearbox in the automobile vehicles? Or for example, it's a lathe, milling machines. Any ideas? Not speed of the machines. We want to get the accurate dimensions for a particular components. For example, in a lathe we are having a different kind of speed ranges. We know slow speed, medium speed, and high speed. So we want to convert the low speed to high speed. We want to engage the belt. That is called as flat belt or chains that could be connected between driven gear to driven gear. So larger to smaller. That time only we are getting the good spindle speeds. We are automatically once the spindle speed is high, the smooth surface finish is giving the better way. As well as in the milling machine also. In a different kind of milling machine is there. Vertical milling machine, horizontal milling machine, board sheet. So this kind of number of machines is there. So in every mechanisms we have to the same kind of materials. We don't want to identify. The nomenclature of the tools along with the workpieces, it may different kind of things. So that time we want to engage the surface finish and we are conducting the operations. We go to the different kind of modes. Maybe gear mechanisms, or we go with the chain mechanisms, or we go with the electric motor, or we go with the hydraulics or pneumatics. So these kind of operations we have done with the different kind of mechanisms. Now we are focusing on the gearbox. ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு gearbox எப்படி நாம ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணுவோம்? ஒரு good gearboxனா என்ன மாதிரியா இருக்கும்? உங்களோட பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் வியூ. It may be noise இல்லாம இருக்கும். either first gear பண்ணாலுமே சரி up to final gears போனாலுமே சரி, there will not be producing so much of noise compared to other devices. Very good. Second one, what about the constraint of the equipments? நம்ம automobile vehicle இருக்கிற component விட நம்மளோட gear வந்து பெருசா இருக்குன்னா அதை you are accepting. So the compactness is a very close to the people. So compactness, எனக்கு வந்து ஒரு compact இருக்கிற device. Whenever I am using the motors, I mean vehicles along with the personal or domestic application means that can be a very compact user-friendly device. So next one, it providing the repeated maintenance, that not be producing so much of maintenance. Only like 6 months once or year once the maintenance only they needed for a particular gearbox. After that, it can be transmitting the power to the spindle is very good manner. Then only the gearbox mechanism is very effective to us. Because chain drive along with the belt drive can be producing frictionless or sometimes it can be broken. So based on the weight. So அதுபோல நம்ம gearbox என்ன வரணும், ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு ஸ்பிண்டில் வந்து ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணிட்டு கொடுக்குற மாதிரி இருந்ததுன்னா it will be better. So these are all the good requirements of gearboxes. அடுத்து பார்த்தோம்னா இதுல என்ன மாதிரியான டைப்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா ஸ்லைடிங் மெக்கானிசம் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம் ஆர் எல்ஸ் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் gearboxes யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஸ்லைடிங் பார்த்தோம்னா ஓல்டர் டேஸ்ல யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கக்கூடிய மெக்கானிசம் தான் இப்போ வரைக்குமே. கான்ஸ்டன்ட் gearboxங்கிறது ஒரே ஷேப்ல எல்லாமே கப்பிள்டா இருக்கு. பட் ஸ்லைடிங்ல மெயின் ஷாஃப்ட் along with adjacent shaft ரெண்டு ஷாஃப்ட் இருக்கும். But constant gearboxல all the things should be presented in the main shaft itself. That is the major difference between the sliding gearboxes along with the constant gearboxes. In the overheating உள்ள கேப் இருக்குங்களா, how to calculate it? So if you think it is a adjacent side of both pieces. ஓகேங்களா? ஒரு ரெவல்யூஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஒரு கால்குலேஷன்ல நம்ம HNX கால்குலேட் பண்ணி நம்ம ரொட்டேட் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கலி என்ன ஆகும்னா இது ஃபிட் ஆகும். அது ஃபிட் ஆகிற பட்சத்தில் என்ன ஆகும்? ஒவ்வொரு டீத்துக்குள்ள இருக்கிற கேப் வந்து ஈக்குவல் இன்டர்வல்ல வரும். ஓகேவா? So this is the general introduction of about the gearbox mechanisms. In the upcoming classes we go with the gearbox, how the gearbox design will be made with the calculations, how it can be run with the smoothly அப்படிங்கறத next class ல நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். Any doubts in this regarding? Thank you all.